everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is The Beauty of Pastel and my name is Bethany Fields. I am so glad you're here. For today's short video time lapse, we're going to be painting this scene. This beautiful scene of Walden Pond was one of my recent Patreon lessons and I was so excited to bring it to you guys here. If you'd like to watch the full lesson, make sure you head over to my Patreon page and join at patreon.com/Bethany Fields. I also have an index below of all the lessons available there and you can join at any time. This time lapse is going to come together really quickly. I hope you enjoy. Pastel is so incredible to paint with. It's immediate and responsive and it worked beautifully for this scene from Walden Pond. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you loved watching this come together. Please check out my Patreon page and my index below, patreon.com/Bethany Fields. Thank you so much. See you next time.